Hello everyone. So today we'll be working on this craft that is this little baby that stands up on its own with little hearts. All right, and there is some construction going on inside, so if you hear any loud noises or anything like that, that's probably what's going on. So to get started, we get this kind of triangular shaped piece of paper, a triangle, a dome, kind of half circle thing. And then the first step that we'll need to do is to cut the baby out with his little feet. I already did that right here. So I've got a little baby in his arms and his feet. And then you'll get some hearts as well that we're going to add. So an option for you is to round out your shape here to kind of resemble more of that. But I think it'd be a good idea to glue the baby on first so we kind of know what we're working with. So once you cut out your little baby's parts and everything, you're going to take this and kind of line it up, make sure it's where you want it. Make sure I move this over. There we go. And then take some glue and just glue it down. Get lots of glue on there. And then take this and lay it down. Just like that. And can you tell what color this is? It's green with stripes. So there's light green and dark green. And making stripes all on this. Okay, our next step is to glue the baby on. So kind of pick where you want him to go. And then we'll glue. So the green is supposed to be his little body. And then you can see his hands and his feet and his face, and he's kind of resting. All right. So I'll put him right here, I think. Boom. Well, just like that. Just a nice, relaxing. Okay. Now we got to figure out feet. So there is a right foot and a left foot. And on your right foot, the big toe kind of points in towards the middle. So it goes like this and not like that. That's just silly. That's the wrong feet. So we got to put them right there. And glue them on just like that. And how many toes does this baby have? Maybe we should count them. Okay, so let's see. We've got 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that foot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that foot. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. So this baby's got 10 toes, which is exactly how many you should have. All right, it's time to add the hearts. So I have 1 big heart, and I have 2 little hearts. Oops. And then I have 3 medium-sized hearts. And so now we just get to pick where to add them. So I'm going to take my big heart, because there's only so many places my big heart can go. And I think I'm going to stick it right here. Maybe it's kind of on his little outfit right there. And then I'm going to add a dot and maybe add my small pink one there. Yeah, right there. And then I'm going to add my other small one over here. So you can see that's 1, 2. And then I'm going to add my purple right there. And maybe my red one right there. And maybe we'll add my other medium-sized pink one right here. Okay, so I have 1 big one, 1 big one, 1, 2 small ones, and 1, 2, 3 medium-sized ones. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to work on his stand, because this baby is standing up, and we need to get our baby to stand up, but he doesn't right now. So we've got this. And the first thing we're going to do is round the corners. So you just need to make a curved cut at each of the points of the triangle, just to round it out. And if you need help with it, that's okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold along these dotted lines. So just make a fold as best you can along those dotted lines, and then do the other side. Just like that. And so what you should be left with is kind of this shape, almost like a book. And that stands up on its own. So now we're going to flip our baby over, and we're going to glue it to the back. Just make sure that it's a little bit above, otherwise it won't stand up. So we're going to take our glue again and glue on this side and just glue it on. Just like that. So it's kind of sticking up like that. And then our baby will stand up. Just like that. And see, this is where you can round out these corners as well if you want, but you certainly don't have to.